Welcome to this tutorial on how to renew an expired domain in GoDaddy. Renewing an expired domain is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, log into your GoDaddy account by visiting the GoDaddy website and entering your username and password. If you have forgotten your login credentials, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset your password. Once you are logged in, click on the Domains tab and select the expired domain you want to renew from the list of domains. If your domain has expired, it will be listed with an expired status. Click on the Manage button next to the expired domain and then click on the Renew Domain button. You will be taken to the renewal page where you can select the number of years you want to renew your domain for. Choose your renewal period and click on the Renew Domain button. You will be taken to the payment page where you can enter your payment details and complete the renewal process. After completing the payment, your domain will be renewed and the new expiration date will be updated. It may take a few minutes for the changes to take effect. Best practice is to set up auto-renewal for your domains to avoid expiration in the future. You can do this by going to the Domain Manager, clicking on the Manage button next to the domain, and then selecting the auto-renewal option. It is also important to keep your contact information up to date to ensure you receive reminders and notifications about your domain expiration. You can update your contact information by going to the Account Settings page. In conclusion, renewing an expired domain in GoDaddy is a simple process that can be completed in a few steps. Make sure to keep your contact information up to date and set up auto-renewal to avoid expiration. In the future,